Hi, my name is Kelsey Helsper. I'm a BCBA with Bierman, and I'm here today to talk to you about our caregiver webinars. So, what are they? They are trainings geared toward families that are new to ABA services, as well as families who are currently receiving services and just want to learn more. They are delivered via Zoom after hours so that more families are able to attend, and they're free of charge to all of our families. Some of our topics have included a discussion on eating for children with autism, intro to ABA and occupational therapy, strategies for successful outings in the community, intro to ABA and speech services, the power of reinforcement, the functions of behavior, teaching daily living skills, and how to teach communication. We gather feedback from the parents after each training to design the content for future webinars. Our goal is to design topics that will benefit the needs of each of our families and give them helpful strategies for dealing with challenges at home and in the community. So why are these trainings useful? They give families background knowledge about Bierman and the field of ABA. They provide families with strategies to handle tough situations at home and in the community. They add an additional resource for families seeking more training on specific topics. And they can supplement training topics discussed within regularly scheduled parent trainings. So anyone is welcome to attend these trainings. Current families, families on the wait list, families in interim care services, extended family members that might be an active part of the client's life, and families looking into services for their child that aren't associated with Bierman. So how do you get updates on trainings? Check your email. So Treva will send out a monthly email with updated training topics for likely the current month and the months to come. And you can also find out these topics on your own at any time by visiting the Bierman website. So how can you spread the word? For a BCBA or clinical director, you can mention Caregiver webinar series during parent meetings by showing the parents the website and how they can sign up. You can also mention any upcoming topics that would specifically benefit their child. So for example, if you have a parent who has talked about wanting help with feeding in the past, check on the website to see what the topics are, and there might be an upcoming training just for that topic. And lastly, you can mention this in group parent trainings and even show parents the website and how to sign up. So speaking of signing up, here is what you do. You can go to services on the Bierman page. You can then, in the scroll down menu, come to caregiver training and click on that. And then from there, you can scroll down and see which are available. And you can just hit right here where it says sign up for this webinar. And if you or your families weren't able to catch the caregiver webinars live, you can visit our YouTube channel by following the link here to access all previous webinars and many other great training resources. So let's spread the word and provide more training opportunities to the families that we serve.